Folks, we've got a problem. We've got a true emergency coming up when it comes to AI activities. There really are three things that are happening all at one time. Your SAP environment is sitting right where they all collide. There's a trend happening in the world of AI, and it's not necessarily going to be a good ending. This is going to hit your bottom line. This is going to hit your balance sheet. This is going to be a structural anomaly of failure across your organization. The three things that are happening for you, and it's all colliding again into your SAP environment right now because they all intersect there. You've got agents that need to be deployed faster and faster because your executive team and your boards want that to go faster and faster. You've got AI regulations. These are landing in August and you have to enforce them. And then you've got the activity wrapped around these pilots going from pilot to production faster than ever before. And everybody wants to see some sort of an ROI activity with that. So these dominoes are falling and they're falling fast. You need to understand where they are, what they are, and how they are. And you need to make sure that there's no IT incident around these. This is a strategic risk to your organization. Any one of these could be a failure point. But now to have all three of them happening at the same time, this is just something that nobody ever thought was going to happen, but it's here and it's building up. So you need to figure out how to fix the domino, clean the domino, take the domino out of line, and make sure that you're moving forward to deploy these agents, cut costs, be able to take care of the regulations, and then to make sure that everything is producing from a strategic go forward strategy in your AI portfolio.